5 things I like axial SCX24.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be telling you guys about the 5 things that I like about this axial SCX24 Jeep Rubicon. Let's get started. So the first thing that I like about this is the scale of it. I can just stick it in my book bag and just take it anywhere, and as long as the battery's charged up, I can pretty much create a video anywhere and just have at it. It is portable, it's discreet, and the fact that it operates like a bigger one, even though I haven't experienced a bigger one, but I will, so stay tuned for that. It is just, the size of it is a plus because you can just take it with you on vacation, pack it up with the kids, and it takes up very little space, and the size of it, it's perfect for travel. The second thing that I like about this axial SCX24 Jeep Rubicon is the looks. I mean, just take a look at it. It looks exactly like the Jeep Rubicon, from the front to the rear to the sides to the roof to the lift kit. I mean, everything about this Jeep is just phenomenal. They paid real good attention to the details, even where there are stickers. It's just the way it looks is phenomenal, and kudos to Axel for actually making the replica look just like a Jeep. I mean, I saw one the other day and I'm like, wow, same color and everything, white, black, and it looked just like it. The only thing that's missing, which could be a problem when crawling, is like the spare tire on the back of it, but you know, you could probably add that later on. Which brings me to the number 3 reason why I like it. It's upgradable. All you have to do is open up Google on your computer and just type in SCX24 upgrades, and you'll be open up to a world of different types of upgrades from different retailers. I mean, you can look on Amazon. You have A Main Hobbies that also has upgrades as far as axles, wheels, tires, just anything you can probably think of, struts, shocks, gears, different colors. I mean, the list goes on and on. And then if you're a newbie to this like I am, there's plenty of YouTube videos, as you can see, out there to help you install this. Now I'm going to try to be one of those people or YouTubers that can help you install your upgrades for your new axial SCX24. I do have a video showing you how to upgrade your wheels, for instance, because one thing I do recommend you do upgrade is, first thing you should upgrade is your wheels, because these stock wheels just isn't it. But you'll have to stay tuned for that, for the 5 things that I don't like. Oh, just stay tuned for that.
I'm sorry, I had to stop this video just to tell you that if you made it this far in the video so far, just keep hanging on. I only have 2 more steps that I have to let you know about, or 2 more reasons to let you know why I like this SCX Axle Jeep. But before we proceed, can you just take 1 minute, just 1 minute, not even a minute, just 30 seconds, maybe even 10 seconds, to like this video, subscribe, follow, and all that good stuff. And I appreciate you viewing it this long, because those views really help out the channel and it will help us grow in the future. So just take your time
For
to
watching, thanks.
like, comment, subscribe, and I really appreciate that. Okay? Alright. Now back to the video.
A few moments later.
Alright, sorry about that, guys. Just had to plug myself. If nobody else is going to do it, gotta plug yourself. Anyway, on to number 4. The number 4 thing I like about this RC is the price. It only costs $134.99 with Amazon Prime, and if you have a Prime membership, it will be at your doorstep in 2 days. The link will be down in the description below. The number 5 reason I like this RC, especially this Jeep Rubicon, is the fun factor. Once I upgraded the wheels, I just had a blast with this thing. It's like there's no obstacle it couldn't tackle at that point. Now you can have fun with the stock standard wheels, but just don't expect too much. But once you upgrade the wheels, and I plan on doing many more upgrades in the future, so stay tuned for that. It's just a blast to have. Again, you can pack it and take it anywhere and just put it on pretty much any terrain and she's gonna go. So with that being said, and the holidays just around the corner, I highly recommend you get this. I highly recommend you get it. Just buy it. If you look at my last video, that's the title. Just buy it. It is that much fun, especially if you're new to the hobby. You want to start off small with RC crawling. This is the way to go. Alright, so I've held up you guys' time long enough, and with that being said, I thank you so very much for taking your valuable time to watch this video, and stay tuned for the next video because we got some awesome stuff coming up to the channel. You don't want to miss that. Also follow us on Instagram at no.pros.rc, and as always, y'all be easy. See you on the next video. Peace.